Hello, let's look at some decimal, fraction, and percentage problems today. It is converting to decimal, converting to fraction, and converting to percentage. First, we'll be looking at how to convert to decimal. If a percentage problem is given, how to convert it to decimal. If a fraction is given, how to convert it into decimal. The first one is 82%. As you can see, 82%. 82 percent can be written as 82 by 100, correct? So now when you do the division, 100 does not go in 82. So you use the decimal point, add a 0. Now it becomes 820. So how many times does 100 go in 820? 8 times. So 800, 8s are 800. So 800, when you subtract, you get 20 and add a 0 here. And 100, how many times does it go in 200? 2 times. So by then you have got your answer, which is 0.82. So 82% can be written as 0.82. Now, next question. 2 by 5 is fraction. So you do the same thing, divide it. 2 by 5. So how many times 5 goes into? It does not go. So you add a decimal point, add a 0. Now it's 20. How many times does 5 go in 20? 4 times. So 5 4s are 20. Now when you subtract, you get 0. So finally you've got your answer, which is 0.4. So this was converting to decimal from percentage and from fraction. Now, if your problem given is convert to fractions, if the problem is convert to fractions, how do you do that? Now, 30%, you already know 30% can be written as 30 by 100. Now, 30 by 100 can be simplified further. How can you simplify it? 30 by 100, the 0 can get cancelled from the numerator and the denominator, and you're left with 3 by 10. Can it be simplified further? No. So your answer is 3 by 10. Now let's look at a decimal scenario. From decimal, when you have to convert to fraction. So here you can see 0.25. Now how can you write 0.25 in fraction? So it's very simple. You can move the decimal point 2 times to the right by dividing it by writing the denominator as 100. So this is how it is, 25 by 100. So 25 by 100 is 0.25 in fraction form. And this can be simplified further as 1 by 4. So that is how you convert from percentage to fraction. Now last but not the least, convert to percentage. Now you have been given a fraction question and a decimal question. You need to convert this into percentage. Now how do you do that? 20%, 20 by 100 is equal to 20%. Now how did I get this? 20 by 100. So anything to the when any number has its denominator as 100, so the numerator is the percentage. So here you have 20 by 100, which is equal to 20%. Now if I can give you another example, say if you have something like okay, so if you had 12, say divided by 50, okay, for example, what you can do is convert the denominator into 100. Okay, so how will you convert the denominator of 50 into 100? Multiplied by 2. So whatever you do in the denominator, you need to do the same thing to the numerator. So what will you multiply the numerator by? 2. So 2 12s are 20. So what is your percentage? Percentage is 24%. Why? When the numerator is, the denominator is 100, the numerator is the value 24%. Okay, this is how it works. So this is one of the technique that you can use to find percentage. Okay, convert if possible the denominator into 100, and then you can just write the numerator and the percentage symbol. That will be your percentage. Okay, now let's look at 0.18. Now let's look at 0.18. 0.18 can be written as 18 by 100. Do you agree? So how do you do that? Shift the decimal point 2 spaces. So the denominator is 100. So 18 by 100. So as already we know that if the denominator is 100, whatever is the numerator is the answer. So 18 is the answer, 18%. So 0.18 is nothing but 18%.